Good morning. Welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today we are working on another soapy collaboration. This collaboration, however, is linked with a blogger, and we are both doing a giveaway. So the person who wins that giveaway is going to get a bar of the soap that I'm making today, plus a digital product that she has made as well. So we're just doing a very small batch, and this is going just to be a white based soap, and then the design of the soap is actually something we're gonna pipe on. So let's get started. First, I'm going to add my lye water solution. Okay, next we are adding our fragrance, which is lavender, and this is from Crafter's Choice. So I'm going to mix that in there, and then at the same time we are going to add some titanium dioxide that has been pre-mixed with water. Not too much because this is such a small batch. We'll see how that does for us. Okay, so now we're going to pour into our tall and skinny mold. Now, like I said, it's a very small batch, so we're just going to fill the level to about right here, and then we'll cut the bars. Whoops, see if you can see this. And then we'll cut the bars like this. So we'll get 3 or 4 bars out of this. Now I'm just going to bang down this mold. I'm just taking a craft stick and I'm going to clean up the sides here. And it's time to spray with our 91% rubbing alcohol. And we will be back either late tonight or tomorrow morning to unmold this and get started on the piping. Okay, y'all, so we are back the next day, and I have already cut our soap bars. We got 3 out of it. If I would have been more patient, I probably would have gotten a total of 4 soap bars out of this. But I did go ahead and plane them and try to clean them up as much as I could. And we are still going to clean it up a little bit after we get these piped on there. Now I do need to go ahead and mix up my... Alright, so these are our colors, and they kind of thinned out some when I added the micas to these. So what I'm going to do is let these sit for a little bit until they've thickened up enough that I can put them in piping bags and utilize them. So we'll bring you back in a few minutes. So it looks like our blue-green is set up enough that I can use now. I'm just going to see if I can get away with just a little sandwich baggie for this, instead of using a piping bag. Now, I know I haven't told you guys much about what this design is. So we're going to, on this lavender bar of soap, we're going to pipe some stems, some lavender, and then I think we'll do some poppies with the orange, and then we'll have a gray bow. So if all goes accordingly, that's what we will have on that. So that's what we'll have on our bars of soap here. And I thought this would be a really great soap design, meant to go with a weekly to-do list and that kind of thing, because I love to-do lists. I have a gazillion lists on my phone, and they are lists of things I need, lists of ideas I have, lists of, you know, release dates. I literally have lists of everything. I have so many notes on my phone and it is just crazy the amount that I've got on there. So my point in telling you this is that my lists help me to relax. They really do. I have always, since being a teenager, I have always loved the idea of being organized and put together and having lists and having notes and a planner, and that sort of thing. So I figured the best fragrance to go with list making and staying organized would be lavender, because like I said, it is a relaxing thing for me. And this will actually be the first time I have ever piped lavender or poppies, so we will see how that goes. So I just cut a really small bit off of my sandwich baggie here, and all I'm doing with this is piping some stems. And hopefully my big old arms don't get in the way of this and you will be able to see. Okay, I gotta figure out from which direction I want to start from. I know I want the bar to be long ways. Do it like that. Like that. Okay. Such tiny little bags here. I'm just going to make some long stems. Okay, so there are my stems, and I'm gonna save this last little bit of green for the leaves. So here's the consistency of our purple here. And so now we're gonna pipe the lavender. And again, I think I'm gonna try to get away with doing a sandwich baggie just for this, because all I need is just a round opening. So I think we'll be able to achieve it without a tip on there. So I'm just gonna put this in our little bag here. I'm just going to cut about the same amount off of my end here as we did for the stem. And hopefully I can show you guys. Like I said, I haven't piped lavender before, but I've been watching tons of videos, so maybe this will be something new for you guys as well. Close up of it. Of the lavender there. I'm gonna see if maybe I can bring you guys in a little bit closer for this process. Okay, so now I'm just going to pipe on our bow. Let's see. And this is just a leaf tip that I'm piping this with. I'm trying to get a good angle. Let's see. Alright, so now I'm going to come back in with those little details. And this one. Okay, so I'm not going to show you guys how I pipe the flowers because I had a major issue with that. So I'm just going to pipe on some of the details now. Alright, so I think what I'll do now is in some of these empty spaces I will pipe some more lavender. Okay y'all, so we are done with these soaps. This is the finished look. Well, not quite finished because I still have to clean up around the edges. But yeah, so I'll insert a picture at the very end of what this bar, all nice and pretty, looks like. But again, so this was for a collab with a blogger. Her name is Katie, and she has a wonderful little family. She has a daily like worksheet planner, and a couple of other little things that she has created and designed, and the colors were to match that of what she created. And so for anyone who enters the giveaway, which I'll put that information down below as well, so if you enter the giveaway, you'll have a chance to win this soap bar and her little packet that she has made up for free. So if you have liked this video, please like it and also subscribe if you would like to see more. Also, if you have any comments or questions, you can drop that down below as well, and I will reply back. So until next time, you guys, thanks for watching.